What up, y'all? We back. Back in the creek, doing some fishing. Just the man, Alec.
Oh, yeah.
So, we're gonna be going for some little natives today. See if we can get anything out of here. Who knows, there might be a few little creek chubs or something in here. But, start of December, we're gonna see if we can get some fish out of here. Got a little fly tied on here. Just gonna be dropping it down, so don't gotta worry about casting, but let's see how it goes. Oh, I can go down this way. It's running bad. I think, yeah, this is the spot I got him right here, bro.
Oh, there's a frog right there.
Where?
He just ran and jumped in there.
Really? No, I didn't see him, bro.
Yeah. I got one up here.
Here, I'm gonna see if I can get one out of here. Who's this? Yo, Alec, come here. Just found some yellow stuff. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like a gel. It's weird.
Yeah, what?
That's sick.
Oh, look at that.
It's got like the sand. Oh, try right there, dude. There might be something hiding. You can pretty much see down there.
Over there looks good too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Like maybe like over here in the back area.
Oh, look it up there. I think it might be sap, dude.
Oh yeah, maybe
It doesn't look like it though. It's like
something. Some type.
it usually hardens. Oh, if you come up here, there's a trail, dude. Oh, it's right here, dude. Yeah, right here.
Yo. What? I gotta get down there.
Yeah, see if you get one out of there, dude. What?
Something just came out for it. It was like this big.
All right. We found him. All right, so as I was taking my thumbnail, Alec had something come out, so let's see if we can get him. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, I knew it was worth it to come up to this spot. Because it's easily got the most flow and it's like a big area. It would be stupid for a fish not to hang out in here, you know? Where did it come out from?
From over here, somewhere, from up there, and then swim back over here. So it's hiding in here somewhere.
Are you putting on a hook with worms? Yeah. It's usually what they go for. What?
I got one on the worm.
Really?
Well, he hit it.
Where was he?
He hit it again. He hit it again.
Yeah, I'm coming back down.
Yeah, he's right there. Look at him pulling all that shit. He just took it again.
Where?
Oh. No, he just got it stuck on the...
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, but he just got my thing stuck on the branch. I need this. Oh, no, it broke. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, no. Good.
Dude, I saw him. That's crazy.
Yeah, I need the one again.
Put a lot of slack on your line so like I can net them.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, they like the worms. That's what it is. It's the most natural thing. So I think he's hiding under that stick right there.
Yeah.
That makes the most sense.
Good.
Yeah, so he just had it bite his worm 2 times. We tried the fly for a little bit, and that didn't get him to bite, but now he's got the worm tied on, so we're going to see if he'll go for it. It actually dragged him under that stick in the water, right in the middle, if you can see, and took the worm, so I think he's got a good chance of getting him. Yeah, just give him a little bit of time.
Oh, he's swimming around right now. You see him in the middle? See him in the middle down there?
No. Oh, you had him. All right, drop it down there again. Put a lot more slack on your line. Like, don't even reel it in. Just pull him up when he's on there.
See my thing?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's over there.
He might have got spooked because he did come out of the water, but
Oh, that's the second time.
yeah, he might bite it again. That's nice. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I thought that was a stick. That ain't good, bro. I'll be picking up another rod then.
Oh no, he's gonna eat it.
Yeah, I don't think so. We've been trying this one fish for like 30 minutes, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, we're at the second spot. We're essentially just at the bottom. You already know. And yeah, the first upper part of the creek didn't work out, so we're trying down here quick. We're gonna see what happens. Nah, dude, it's like a swamp back here. You have any luck? Nah, I tried all those holes up there, nothing. There's a couple of nice ones. Yeah, that's... Yo, we should look over this way, dude.
Look how open it is over here.
Is it deep, though? Oh, yeah, there was
It's from over there across over this side.
there was definitely something in here, dude. Oh, yeah.
I just seen it.
Yeah, this is a perfect spot for them. Do you spook them, or did he, like, go for your bait?
Oh, he just swam across. I must have spooked him.
Yeah, probably. That's cool, though.
Yeah.
Well, was it like a big one, or was it like smaller than the other one?
They're around the same size.
Probably another trout then.
Maybe, I don't know.
They definitely could live in here. This water's flowing good.
Yeah.
So we found 3 fish today so far, which is it's very good.
Oh, Trout, look at it.
Huh? Oh, I just saw that. Yeah,
Seen it?
yeah.
Shot from here over here. Oh, I got something. Bro, I just went on the bottom like that and I got something.
What'd you get?
I don't know, but we're about to find out right now. Let's start taking some of the leaves out.
Yeah, let me see. Get over here. Is it like a fish?
Yeah. I think it's on the bottom there. No, come on, just keep pulling those out. It's literally on the bottom. It's in there. See him?
Oh yeah. What the hell is that?
Oh! What is
Oh,
it? Trout! Bro, is it a brook?
let me see, bro. I'm trying to get him.
Is it a brook trout, bro?
No way you get
Here, hold
this.
on. Hold the phone. I got it. You hold the phone. I got it.
Wait your hands, bro. Wait your hands.
Yeah.
No way, dude. Is that... There's no way that's the fish that was in there. you just ripped him out of his home.
Unless there's another one down there somewhere.
Yeah, look at that. Nice, dude. Nice little brookie. Here we go.
This must have been him. Unless there's another one down there somewhere.
Yeah, look at that. Nice, dude. Nice little brookie.
Yep. Should I bring him back to my house?
No, dude. That's a rare fish, bro. Trust me. That's beautiful, too. It's got all the orange and all
Yeah,
that.
it's beautiful, yeah.
Nice, dude. Alrighty.
Now I'm good to go.
Yes, sir, now.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, dude, definitely.